Alrighty, so today we're looking at exercise 3F, which is developing a formula, setting up linear equations with two unknowns. So again, we're looking at linear equations, which means that none of our variables are to the power of 2 or 3 or anything else. They're just, they don't have any powers. And two unknowns, so you're going to have two variables. So it might be x and y, it could be a and b. It just depends what letters you're using to represent the numbers that you don't know. The purpose for this is for use in realistic practical scenarios to model different situations. We've already used this in statistics to model relationships between EV and RV using the slope and intercept, and in finance to model loans. So to set up a linear equation, you need to, so it's very similar to kind of what we've done a little bit already. So you need to choose letters to represent each of the different unknowns. So like x could be the number of something, or y could be the number of something. Use the information to write an equation, and solve the equation by substituting in given information. And you'll know from a couple of chapters ago, you've got some keywords to realise whether you're like adding or subtracting, multiplying or dividing. So here's an example. So we've got some sausage rolls that cost $1.30 each, and party pies that cost 75 cents each. So firstly, we need to construct a formula, and then we can actually use the equation we do or find by substituting in these values. So for the first one, we've got to choose letters to represent the unknowns. So for this example, they've used X for sausage rolls and Y for party pies. Okay, I probably would have chosen like S for sausage rolls and P for party pies, but yeah, that's up to you. And we also have C is the total cost. So obviously if you've got, the cost of sausage rolls, the cost of party pies, you're going to get a total cost of what it all adds together. So we need to use the information to write an equation. So if we have, like up here, sausage rolls, well, that is intense, hang on. So sausage rolls cost $1.30 each. Okay, so sausage rolls are $1.30 each, so it's multiplying. Okay, $1.30 times X. So this is kind of showing, that because they cost $1.30 each, so if you got 2, it would be $2.60. If you got 3, it would be $3.90. So see how we're constantly multiplying it by a different value? So that's why we don't know how many they're going to buy, so we leave that as X, because that's, the number. So then we have Y. Okay, so Y, they are 75 cents each. The reason we've written it as 0.75 is because this is written in dollars, so sausage rolls is $1.30. So you need to change them both. So you can put them both into cents or both into dollars. Obviously we work in dollars more, so of changing the 75 cents into 0.75. And that's times Y. Okay. So, in conclusion, so this is sausage rolls, and then you add however many party pies you get. Once you add them together, you get the total cost, which is C. So this is our final equation. Okay. Now, number 3 says solve the equation using substitution. To do that, you use your equation from before, which is what we found up here, and you substitute in. So for B, it says find the cost of 12 sausage rolls. Okay, so instead of X, you're going to put 12 and 24 party pies. So instead of Y, you put the number 24, which is why I've got here. Put that in your calculator and you'll end up getting the total cost is $33.60. Okay, Number 4, like I've said previously, when you're doing worded questions, you really need to answer in words. So you need to write the total cost for 12 sausage rolls and 24 party pies is $33.60. Okay, so now you can go on with 3F.